Today we're going to be doing something different. We did an old ship, and guess what? We're going to mix it up. We're going to do another old ship. The SS Canopus? I don't know. Never spawned this in. Let's do it. Jesus. Get on the ladder. I don't know how to start this, so I'll just... I think this is made by the person who made the SS7. Looks like it with the lifeboats. So I'm going to go to the engine room, which might be down here, probably. Oh, saloon class. That's like your first class, second class doesn't exist in this time period. It really doesn't. Oh. Forward maybe? Oh, yeah, there's a staircase. Because engines are back, boilers are forward. Ooh, ooh. Ooh, ooh. Boilers! Boiler temperature. What does this do? I'll leave that alone. Right, the boiler temperature's at 15. Is this cooling it down or warming it up? Don't know, don't care. Where's the engines? Wait, are we moving? No, but the funnel is chuffing away. Is there anything back here? No. Oh. No. Later, when I activate the sinking, then we can do it. Wait, hold on. Where is the engine room in this? Oh, this is it. Wait. Is this? Oh, the engine room's literally just right above the boilers, so it's up here. That's weird. Weird and cool. Right, so I'm assuming this is indeed steerage class. So here, engine room. Do we make things? Nope, just leave it, leave it, leave it, leave! So let's get a thumbnail shot. In fact, no, it's still in port, it's dark. I think maybe the bit where we make the bit happen. Oh! Oh yeah, because it's a paddle steamer. Fun fact, paddle steam, the bridges are called bridges on ships because they quite literally used to be bridges. Do I make us go forward? W. Oh, look at the paddles. The paddles are going. We're moving forward. This is quite an old world. We still have the crane. Why? Why is that side not on? Uh-oh. We're probably going to crash. I don't know what that means. AP. Oh no. Oh no. Right. In fact, I better stop us. Stop! Go to all stop! We're capsizing. Why are we listing so badly? Right. Right, what? Right, just go very slowly forward. I think it's the dampener. I think I've got to match them. Booms don't curve. Bilge does that. What? How do I open the cargo hold? Probably here. Pressing all the buttons. Making things happen. Oh, it's a boom. Okay. Ah! What the hell was that? Uh-oh, there was an explosion. Oh god, how do I put out the boilers? Fire dampener, lower it, lower it, lower it. Can I? What's going on? Right, steam, full steam ahead. Don't care what's happening. Oh god, what's going on outside? I know what the title is. This is going to be Boiler Explosion in Dock. Oh god, we're sinking fast. Oh god, run! I didn't do out! I literally turned on the engines and made us go forward, and this is how the ship repays me. Excuse me. I heard a noise. Did we snap it? We probably snapped it off. Oh God, no more explosions. Maybe a lifeboat fell off. Don't know, don't care. Just go full steam ahead. Who cares if our stern's missing? Where's our funnel? Oh, our funnel fell off. Oh. Well, we can't stop. Right, let's explore it before we sink. Cause I'd literally spawned it in, and now it's sinking. What have I done? It just broke apart by itself. How do I go below? There's water on the bow. Oh, there's water on the bow, and it wants to come inside quicker than ever. We're only on a saloon place. Ah! Jesus! Close the doors! Close the doors! Uh-oh. Oh God, we're plunging. This is a plunge. Jesus, I might have to respawn this, because look. That is ridiculously fast. And we've already hit the seafloor. What's through here? I don't know. Oh God, I should have left that door closed. Why did I open it? Going down. What's down here? Seriously, what is? Is it cabins? A smoking room? Ooh. The lighting's crap, but... Oh, a pendulum clock. Oh. More cabins, I guess. What does the accommodation look like? Not very good for first class. Crew access only. What's down here? Oh yay, more down. What can go wrong? Why is the storeroom? Uh-oh. How is the water leaking? No! No. Engineering quarters, more engineering peoples. I think if I open this, the ship will just drop. Oh, yep, that's happening. The ship's sinking very fast, People tend to call it plunging. Someone's probably going to scream at me. Oh God. Oh no, what's through here? You know what? We're going down with the ship. We're stuck inside a sinking ship. I'm calling the Right. Let's retry that again, because Jesus Christ, the entire thing just blew up. Didn't even get to do it, and it just boo! Here, have an explosion. I'm gonna make it proper day so I can actually see. Something feels a bit fishy about this. Right. Attempt 2 at trying not to cause the engines to blow up immediately. Press all the buttons, do everything. Leave all the buttons, don't do anything. I probably should turn them off now that I'm inside the ship. I can't really anymore. Right. So the ship's quite small. I kind of know the layout. Oh my God, I'm in the wrong room. Right, close the door. Safety first. Probably going to blow up the ship by leaving whatever that's doing that. Oh. Oh. Oh! Oh! These are very, I forgot the word I'm looking for. Cool. Advanced. Nice. Right, I think the dampeners were too high. Maybe the engines haven't got coolants. They have. I think they're just bad. Fire dampener. Go to 36. Alright, how about 40? 40 should be fine. Alright, the temperature's still rising, but not too fast, so I think we won't explode immediately. Now, as the pressure's building up, it's probably causing steam to build up, which is probably leading to an explosion again. So I'm just gonna head out before things go bad and wrong. Deck house, thank you. No, 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 no. Thank you. That door is very annoying. I wanted to close it immediately. Alright, so the funnel's chuffing. Why is the funnel so tall? Who knows? But it's still a funnel. Don't bully him. You just want to do funnel things. Right, go forwards. Don't explode in the process. Not moving, are we? Oh, that means you have to raise the thing. It's probably going to cause an explosion. Right, engine telegraph's at 90. Apparently that's the max it can go. Let me over the stupid wall helm. Press more buttons until things happen. Oh, no, I want you open. Oh, I burped. How rude of me. I'm not going to apologise. It's a natural human act. That's the engine room, actually. So, boilers. Didn't read this description. I downloaded it ages ago and never touched it. So this is your time to shine. Don't break on me so quickly again. Right, so I'm going to crank it to 50. Is that enough to get the paddles moving? Better be. No. $70? Oh, we're moving. So we're all good. Right. Can I just say, you better not explode. Right, so far so good. Funnel's not chuffing out any dark smoke. So I think we're going to be fine. Right, I think we've gone and done it. I think we just had to take more of a slow approach. Six. Come on. There we go. There we go. We've done it. Not going very fast, but we've done it. Look at how we did. That's adorable. Uh-oh. 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 The engines are about to blow. Oh, there they go. Oh, no. Not again. Well, it's a good chance to take our thumbnail. There goes the funnel tumbling away. Hi, ropes. Ropes. Move. Right, we better hurry because we are starting to sink. Start. There's the start. And then, right, so I have to do them from inside. Right, lower. We don't have to lower too far. Drop. Right, get out because I want to use the other. Right. Lower away! Oh. The boat's starting to rock. What's that charge? Alright, we're losing. Alright, we're gonna lose power, so we better hurry. Alright, get our boat up. Quick start the game. Get our boat deep into the draft water thing. Alright, because we're maybe not that low, that's too low. Drop. Right, I'm free from the sinking ship. That's good. In fact, it's not even going down very fast. I don't think it's time to abandon ship. I want to get a good look at this while it goes down, actually. In fact, let me close the cargo hold because that's going to drop and it's going to accelerate and cause bad happen. Uh-oh. That does that. Right, I think I might be able to slow it sinking. Oh god, but we're sinking as a lifeboat. So yeah, I just took the thumbnail then. The ship, not looking too good. Bilge pumps work, our ship is sinking. Can you not tell? A battle steep is going down. I blame the game. You see, I did nothing. I did everything perfect. And it goes and blows up. God's sakes. Well, there goes the bridge. Oh no. Wait, you're the lifeboat. It didn't reattach. No. Why did you reattach, you stupid lifeboat? Rose, why did you get back onto the ship? Oh no, now it's capsized. Drop. Oh no, get me out of here. I'm not a celebrity, but get me out of here. It's gonna get caught by the davits. Hi, funnel. I want to push it over. Oh no, it's coming off by itself. That's gonna be a thumbnail and a half. It's not gonna be a thumbnail, but it'll still be cool. Oh. This room looks so cool, but the stupid ship sink. But the stupid ship is sinking. But the stupid ship is sinking. Two. Right, we're lighting up. Oh, our power's failing. Oh. Oh. And there goes the SS Canopus. Going down. Water slowly filling inside the burnt ocean liner. Breaks my heart every time. There are the flags. Waving as the ship goes down once again. I'm sorry, but it's stupid how this blew up, not once but twice, and we didn't even get that far away that our bloody masts can be fully submerged. Anyway, there goes the stern. Nice stern. Right, our bilge pumps. Wait, are those pumping in water or sucking it? I think it's pumping in water. For God's sake, they do the opposite of what they accelerating sinking. How would it be to be inside the cabin room smoke detector thing? Why did I say smoke detector? Hey look, we're on a beautiful ship. Oh wait. Oh, that's creepy. Yeah, with your friends. I'm kind of sad how this is outdated now, because it was so clever how they used everything, but at the same time now. I'm sure it's fine, I'm sure it's just a drill, we're practically unsinkable. Yeah, we're still on fire. And completely underwater. Can I get rid of these masks? Like, what? Can I help? Can I help make them stop existing? Lower everything. Is that good? I'm lowering the correct... I don't know at this point. Well, that was that. Goodbye. Oh my god, every time I do the wrong... Right, goodbye. Did you have fun? Tell me in the comments. Yeah, because I read them. And when I do, I give them a heart and a like. 1, I got that tradition thing off spammers. 2, it means I've read it. So, yeah. Bye.